Alright, this is going to be a tutorial on how to trim activation tones out of your siren videos. You will be doing this from the video editor in YouTube Studio. To get to YouTube Studio from the main YouTube page, you go up to the top right corner here and you click on your channel icon and you hit YouTube Studio. This will bring you to your channel dashboard. You then want to go to your videos tab. This will display all of your videos in one spot. And then from there, in order to find the video that you want to edit, you can either scroll down and look for them, or you can use the search feature up here. And we're going to search for Sand Creek, because that's the video I'm editing now. And you're going to click on the details little pencil right here. As you can see on the left side here, we have a few different options. We're going to use the editor right over here. So we're going to click that. And it will bring us to this page. So, this is your video player up here. This is your editing deck. How I usually do it is I will first hit trim, and then I will zoom in to about halfway. That generally gives you a close enough look where you can see the tones. For this purpose of the video, I will zoom in a little further. Now you can see the tones. The tones are right there, as you can see. I can play them to you. I can click this. So, that was the tones that we're going to edit out right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to click at where we want it to start. Notice I have a fade out right here, or a fade in. So I'm going to go from the end of the fade in, and then I'm going to hit split. That's going to split my video into two parts. You can split as many times as you want and have as many cuts as you want. So now you will take this blue bar and you will drag it to where you want it to end. I mentioned earlier how we have the zoom level set to a level where you can see the individual tones. There's a digit, there's another digit, etc. So we're just going to make it so that it cuts from here to here. There's a decent enough delay on this particular FC where the siren does not activate right away, so we have a good amount of space here. So now if we hit preview and we go back to the beginning, I'll zoom out here so you can see. There's the part that's been cut out. So now we're going to hit play and we're going to see the new edited video. And just like that, there are no tones in the video. Pretty simple. So in order to save that, we go right up here and we hit save. If you wanted to edit it again, you can hit edit trim and do the same thing all over again. Note that it will take a few hours in order to do. And the video is now processing. That completes the tutorial.